In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Forms responses with others. Whether you're collaborating with a team or wanting to share data with clients, learning how to effectively share Google Forms responses can be a game changer. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to take. To start, head over to Google Forms by navigating to the website. Once you're there, you'll want to find the specific form from which you wish to share responses. Once you have your form open, look for the share icon, which is typically represented by an arrow or a person icon. Clicking on this will open up the sharing settings. Here, you'll be able to enter the email addresses of those you wish to share the form with. Make sure to precisely input their email, since any typos might result in a delivery failure. After you've added the necessary email addresses, click on Done to save your settings. The next step is about printing the form. You'll notice a More button, often represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on this and from the drop-down menu select Print. Here you can choose to generate a physical copy, which is handy if you are in a setting where digital means are not always feasible. However, if you want to share the form responses digitally, you can save the form as a PDF. To do this, instead of selecting a printer, change the destination to Save as PDF. Afterward, click Save, and this will be downloaded to your computer, allowing you to share it as needed. Next, we'll focus on sharing the responses. Go to the Responses tab in your Google form. From there, you have an option to click on a link to Google Sheets, which allows you to create a spreadsheet with all the responses. Clicking on Create will immediately generate this document. Once you are in Google Sheets, locate and click on the Share button. As you've done before, input the email addresses of those you wish to give access to, and then click Done to confirm. Sometimes you might want to download the responses for offline use or further analysis. To do this, return to the Responses tab and click on the 3 dots icon to reveal more options. Here you'll find the option to download responses as a .csv file. This file type is perfect for importing into various data processing tools. These steps should equip you with the skills to efficiently share and export responses from Google Forms. Whether you're saving digitally or printing for a meeting, you now have the know-how to choose the best method for your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy sharing.